We'll guide you through how to change your age on Roblox. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So, for whatever reason you need to do this, perhaps it was going entered wrong or it's been detected wrong, as there are different ways this can be done, we're going to guide you through it in this video, so don't worry. It's important you watch this entire video and don't skip anything, as you know exactly how you can go about this and how it can be done. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So for this, we are doing it in the Roblox app. You can go and do this on a mobile as well, by the way. But also, if you can do this on the Roblox site, and we'll tell you what you need to go and click. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and head to the settings. On Roblox on the website, press the gear cog icon in the top right, then press settings. On the app on a computer, press more to the left, we can find settings. On a phone, you press more in the bottom right, and then you can scroll down and find settings. You'll see a list of options, and we need to go and find account info, and now we should be on the same page. So now what we can do is we can come down here and come to personal. So you're going to go have an age group and a birthday. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and change these. So to go and change your age group, it says here, did we get your age group right? If not, you can verify a birthday with an ID or reset your age check. So we can actually go and reset it. So press reset to the right. You can only do this once, by the way, and go and press continue. Then what you can do is go and press continue with camera. Shortly it's going to go and pop up. Now what we can do here is we can go and read this through. We're going to be using the camera, so press continue. Now it's important to know we can actually go and press continue to go and use the webcam on our device if you've got one. Otherwise you can press continue on another device. A QR code will be generated and you can scan it with the phone camera app on an Android or an iPhone, and you'll get a pop-up and you can use your phone camera. I've got a webcam, so I'm just going to go and press continue like so. Now the camera is loading, so we can go and be patient. Center your face in the circle and follow the directions, as you can see. And then it's going to go and say estimating your age, and it will then go and hopefully go and get it right this time if it was wrong previously. And as you can see, I've been estimated 21 or older, which is correct. And we can then go and close this or press back in the top left like so, and hopefully that's correct. Now, if you want to go and change the birthday itself, come to the right and press the edit button, change birthday. And now we need to go and enter in the correct one. So I'm going to go and enter it in here. This was entered in incorrectly. When it is entered correctly, press continue. And to go and confirm this, you do need to use ID. So I'll press verify ID. Now, once again, we're going to get this pop-up. We're going to use the camera, press continue. Now, what you can do is go and choose where your government ID is from, press continue. I'm going to use the passport. Now, what we can do is go and take a clear photo. If you've got a webcam on your computer, you can press continue to use it. Or if you don't, press continue on another device. You can then go and get a QR code appear, and you're going to go and scan that with the camera app on a phone, and you can go and then press the pop-up and you'll be taken to the page, as you can see. But in this case, I can press continue, and the webcam is now going to open up. Now it's going to be processed. Next, we're going to need to go and take a photo of our face. We can press continue, or you can continue on another device, but I'm going to go and use my webcam for this, and it's going to load and guide us through what we need to do. I've now come back, my birthday is now changed, and that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you. Have a great day, and I look forward to catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.